to Creating with Jovi and 100 Days of Pockets. So today's pocket, well, it's day 13, and the pocket is a belly band pocket combo. Now, I want to let you know that this collaboration is hosted by Cindy A. Lewis, and she has a booklet with all of the instructions for all of the pockets that she and I are making for the 100 Days of Pockets. I'm co-hosting with her, so we're both making videos for each day. And so far I've been able to make one for each day. I hope I can keep up the momentum. So today is a belly band pocket. And many of you know what belly bands are, and they're pretty simple. I wanted to let you know I'm doing this a little bit differently because I'm not working inside of a journal. Maybe I need to whip a journal together so I can work inside of one. But we're going to pretend that this is a journal page. And I trimmed my belly band piece. Let me see. How wide did I do this one? This one's 1.5 inches. But you can do them 2 inches, you can even do them 3 inches if you want. But because this piece was a little bit smaller, I felt like this size would fit nicely on here. Now what I will end up doing is I'll end up gluing this inside of a journal so that I'll have a small belly band ready to go for me. And actually, that's nothing I've ever done before. I usually glue them straight in, of course. Naturally, that's what we would do. But this might be kind of cool to have one. We'll call it a floating belly band if we want to. And so I'm kind of excited about how I'll end up using this inside of a journal. So basically, that is the basics of doing, let me show it to you, the basics of doing your pocket, right? Like that's really all you have to do, but we're not going to stop there. Now, if you want to make this sort of a double pocket, you could add something right here into this corner, and then you'd have a small tuck spot. Shall we do it just for fun? My friend Carrie, the paper monkey, just sent me a Happy Mail, and she sent me some goodies. I mean, obviously, that's usually what's in Happy Mail. And so I think, let's go ahead and use this piece. We're going to glue it up here, but we're only going to glue the top edge and the side edge. And then that way we can take a tag and put it up in the corner. So let's start by doing that. This is a nice chunky piece of chipboard. Okay, so we have that up there. Now I'm doing it on this paper, but you go ahead and you can do all of this straight in your journal if you want to. And if you're not working on a journal, like me at the moment, well, I am, but I didn't want to do all of my pockets in the same style, so I'm trying to mix it up a little bit for you guys. So at any rate, if you are kind of doing the same thing, then yeah, just put your stuff down on paper that you can then adhere into a journal. All right, so we've got that. That needs to dry before I can show you how that's going to work as a little tuck spot. And then I think let's go ahead. Let's decorate the belly band. Let's add this little piece, and let me see if this is going to fit on here. Oh, I like this right at the bottom. It says you and me. I like that. So I'm going to go ahead and add this. This will be a little decorative piece. And while I've got the glue out, I'll go ahead and get a little bit of glue right on here. I'll put this one down first. Then we have our other piece. There's a little spot here to put the date, which is nice. You could write something on this as well if you wanted to, or we can decorate that up. All right, my friends, these are not all the way dry, but I think they're dry enough for me to show you how, the pockets are gonna work. So I created this, I had cut this in half, and so I created this. I took the other piece, it was like this basically. I folded it in half the other way, and I just added a few little embellishments on it. And so this can work right under here for the first pocket. See, that fits so nicely. And then I'm just gonna use one of these as an example of what we could tuck up in the other pocket. Isn't that cute? It looks gorgeously layered. Isn't that nice? And if you wanted to, if you had something that shape and you wanted to, you could even do it this way, and then it doesn't cover that piece the whole the whole way, right? Friends, I hope you enjoyed that. Please go see what Cindy made today. And tomorrow will be day 14, and it's going to be a matchbook pocket, and that sounds like a lot of fun to me. All right, thanks for watching. See you soon.